Hello, everyone, and welcome to this discussion on the new age of healthcare. Now, over the last year and a half, the healthcare system in India has faced an enormous challenge, and the severe strain put on doctors and nurses, as we know, has been unprecedented. This has led to an increase in the need for better post-operative care, post-COVID rehabilitation, as well as easily accessible primary healthcare. And the rise in the elderly population, as well as high disposable incomes, are factors that have also rapidly fueled the development of the home healthcare market. So in a country where basic healthcare is not yet completely accessible to all, and the struggle to provide a quality healthcare for loved ones is real, companies such as CuraDoc are on a mission to make home healthcare services accessible and more affordable. So today we have with us Akhil Kaul, founder and CEO of CuraDoc Healthcare, to talk to us about how the startup is changing the way people view illness and recovery. Hi Akhil, great to connect with you on your story.
Thank you, Shivan.
So going straight into the first question, Akhil, the idea of CuraDoc is to provide quality healthcare at the doorstep is what we've said. And if you look at the real driving factor behind this idea, tell us what it was about. Was it largely, COVID that led you to start up? When and how did you begin? And where did you really find and realize the need for in-home healthcare services?
So Shivani, CuraDoc is something that came into my mind pretty much from my circle itself. So having seen the problems that sickness and the expensive private hospital bills bring to families, so I felt that something must to be done to improve the quality of care and make it more affordable.
Sure. So if you can explain to us a little bit more about, how CuraDoc really began. You told us that it was from the inner circle. You really saw the need for it. Tell us about what pain points you are solving, when it all began, and where the company is now. How are you poised?
CuraDoc started with the sole mission of making healthcare available at home to everyone. Making it affordable without compromising on service quality is our primary objective, and that is why, like, what makes CuraDoc stands out. And what had started off as a group of 10 team members with Ashwani, our CEO, and me focusing on the improvement that we could bring about in the healthcare provision in our city, is now a caring team of 500 plus dedicated professionals with shared goal.
Sure. So you essentially are looking at, providing doctors, nurses, and healthcare experts right at the doorstep. You have a lot of other offerings as well, which we will touch upon in the course of the interview. You have trained professionals as well, working day in and day out for CuraDoc. Help us understand, how you really run your day-to-day operations and how the healthcare mission that you're on really functions.
We all at CuraDoc work as an integrated unit. And hand-to-hand to provide unmatched patient care. So we have dedicated teams that are led by passionate, self-driven managers and executives who take it to be their personal responsibility to maintain efficient function of nurses, attendants, physiotherapists, and doctor consultations. Our support and backend team is over 100 people strong who work round the clock to optimize customer experience, to provide 24/7 customer care and medical care. So technology is also plays a very significant role, helping us provide prompt and better services. So our team uses a lot of proprietary technology, machine learning, and more to further enhance their productivity and, of course, the customer experience.
You spoke about how technology really plays a key role, in sort of reaching out to consumers and patients. Tell us about the wide gamut of services on offer. How has the pandemic really led to more people opting for healthcare services? And do you think the need for this will only increase in the coming years?
Right. The demand for home healthcare services has been present since decades, right? So, but it has become more widely demanded since the pandemic has hit. So, possible reasons include people realizing how constrained and expensive hospital care can be at these times. So it has surely brought across drastic change in the way people view healthcare and are now ever increasingly demanding care at home. So in the coming years will only bring in a steady rise in home healthcare services. People have to come to understand the importance and efficiency of getting treatment, assistance, and rehabilitation in the comfort of their home.
Sure. So tell us about, some of the trends that you're seeing in the home healthcare space, and most importantly, post-COVID rehabilitation and elderly care during times like this. Is that something that is in high demand at the moment?
Shivani, COVID, whether the person is vaccinated or not, leaves the body in a fragile and immune compromised conditions, as already everyone knows, right? So the recovery is a long and the very long process with no clarity of what symptoms will appear in the post-COVID days. So and that treatment is mainly a combination of symptomatic, immune building, and physical therapy. So the rehabilitation involves bringing in the best of comfort care, multidisciplinary specialized care. So 24/7 supervision and assistance is very important. So all these together can bring help to recovery, help the recovery at a faster pace and make it less daunting. So Shivani, our culture is that of respect to your elders, and caring for our elders is something that has been drilled into our mind since a young age. So our seniors are diversified into two segments. One are those who are living with family and have their children looking after their needs. The second is the compact family, husband and wife only whose children are abroad or in another city and they are living alone, right? So in both scenarios, it is a challenge. So as I mentioned earlier, the pandemic has left our elders unable to leave the house due to the fear instilled by the COVID cause. Providing them with the medical care supervision and assistance to live healthy and be independent is something that a dire necessity in these trying times. So our caregivers are playing a very important role. They are just specifically trained to look after our senior clients as their own parents or grandparents.
That's great, Akhil. How you've really changed the outlook and sort of driven it down to your trained professionals as well. And how do you believe, home healthcare services is changing the way people perceive hospitals and recovery now? Because a lot of people don't have direct access to hospitals immediately, but this is something, through your startup such as yours, CuroDoc, can provide it at their doorstep. So how is the perception really to home healthcare and recovery at home really being changed? And if you can give us any sort of numbers or statistics on how that is being taken up.
Truly home healthcare is changing the way recovery, right? So, and post-hospitalization care is perceived when compared to that hospital or nursing home setup. So it is more personal, inclusive, and affordable. So right now, there is around more than 500 attendants and nursing already. They are just catering right now. So we are just catering right now in Delhi NCR, and along with we are just expanding our business also. So we just so care and recovery at a hospital is restricted and not individualized, as they must cater to the needs of a lot of people. So each having a different medical condition and care requirement. On the other hand, hospital stays are costly, and in a country like ours, where insurance is not a benefit that many have, right? So it can even cost them their savings. So whereas whereas in a home care setup, all the concentration of the caregiver is on one person, and they are dedicated to the overall care. So it is also comparatively affordable, as the cost incurred are restricted to the caregiver, medications, physical therapists, and occasional physicians visits and specialized doctors also.
Sure, I'm sure a lot of the patients, and your customers would find that this way of, care much more comforting as compared to what we may now get in the hospital. So that is, of course, a trend that we are seeing as well. Now, the other, big aspect or factor that a lot of people look at when it comes to home healthcare is physiotherapy, and the Indian
Right.
physiotherapy market is set to grow by leaps and bounds in the next few years. So are you seeing a steep rise in the demand for such services as well? And what do you have to offer, in this sort of market?
Yeah, Shivani, if I will talk about physiotherapy, physiotherapy in India is on the rise due with people in their 20s to 50s, due to having a hectic lifestyle, which leads to lot of problems, long travel time, stress related conditions, continuously being on their feet, right? And now the work from home scenario. Among us, 60 plus population, and lifestyle and limited mobility causes muscle and joint stiffness, making physiotherapy an important part of their lives. So the demand for physiotherapy service is bound to increase threefold in the coming years, with an increase in the use of home physiotherapy service to cut down the time spent in waiting at the physiotherapy centers and traveling to and from.
Sure. So it's interesting that you provide services on this end as well. Physiotherapy, as you pointed out, is something that is growing fast and gaining popularity. Considering the lifestyles that we currently live. Now, in the course of the pandemic over the last 18 or so months, and prior to that as well, we've seen a huge rise in health tech and a lot of startups, in the primary healthcare space as well. So how do you think that CuroDoc really stands apart? What is your niche compared to other home hospital care providers? What do you think really sets you apart?
So we at CuroDoc provide a customized, tailor-made, dedicated service schedule that is considers all aspect of care, and is inclusive of every service that will provide 360-degree, complete care of for our patients. So our coordinators and nurses, attendants are specifically trained to handle emergency situation in critically ill as well as recovery patients. So in addition to that, our mission as well as technology-driven approach is something not easily found in the industry. Most of the providers treat patients as business data. So while we process it more as healthcare data to provide better services than the rest.
Sure. You spoke about, how you sort of use that data from your consumers and patients and sort of build on that input to improve your services. So if you can also tell us a little bit about what kind of feedback you've been receiving from your customers and patients, that you've reached out to and you've assisted, you've provided services to. What are some of the things that you've heard, and what are the improvements that you're really building on, considering the feedback that you've got from them?
Shivani, our patients and their family members have shared words of appreciation and praise for our on-time services. So our care coordinators, and last but not the least, for our nurses and attendants who work steadily and consistently to improve patient experience and provide all the care that they require.
Sure, Akhil. Now, if you can also tell us, about how many patients you've treated, what, sort of team do you have on the ground? What is your vision for CuroDoc going into the future? And you mentioned that you are currently in the north of India. Will you be expanding to other cities soon? Give us a sense of what your aim and target is to expand your presence.
Right now, there is around 10,000 patients of which we are just already treated, and more than 500 we have a working staff who are just catering. So for us, our patient come first, right? So, and with the ever increasing demanded from the tier 1 and tier 2 cities, we are pushed hard to cover more regions across nation and expand our home healthcare catalog by the end of this coming year. So we are already into we are just expanding our business into the most of the metropolitan cities. All the metropolitan cities, we are just opening our branches. So by the end of this coming year, we will open our 2 to 3 branches more. So we are just already into that.
Thanks, Akhil, for taking us through, what Curodoc does, the services that you offer in the home healthcare space, and sharing your startup journey with us. For all our viewers, Curodoc, of course, is a startup that is aiming to revolutionize home healthcare services with its affordable prices as well as accessibility. And, the range of products that Akhil spoke about, elderly care, home nursing, post-hospitalization care, as well as physiotherapy, are certain services that are really seeing an uptick in demand. Curodoc, of course, making the lives of patients and their consumers easier, safer, and happier. Thank you so much, Akhil, once again for your time. And to all our viewers, stay safe and stay healthy.
Thank you, Shivan.